Sorry for the wind noise. Larry has a two-part garage. There's that toy right there. And then there's what I'm about to show you. And hopefully, he's been cleaning out the wood shop with all of that. So, let's go take a look and see what Larry has wrought.
Well, I'm not finished.
Well, he ain't finished yet, though. Oh my God!
Look what I found.
Oh my God! You found a wood shop!
I found a floor.
It's amazing! Wow. Cool beans, baby. I can totally get behind this. Cool beans. All right, so now we have a wood shop. Not that we didn't have a wood shop before, but now we have a wood shop. Courtesy Mr. Larry and his due diligence of cleaning out all that was here. Trust me, you should have seen all of that, and some of that was right there.
Don't forget this stuff.
Oh, yeah, and let's not forget all of that stuff. So, without my duly helpful non-helpfulness of moving shit every which way, all right, I swore that's a nastiness. Larry has arranged his shop in a pleasant way.
I ain't done yet.
He ain't done yet, though. But nonetheless, cool beans. All right, talk to you later. Bye.